Here I have OMODA Car, and let me show you how to restore default values sound settings. So let me show you how to perform the classic hard reset for the audio system. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now all you need to do is use the apps icon, so the second button from the down left corner. Now you've got access to all apps on your screen. Choose here the local settings. As you can see from the settings, you can scroll down to choose here sound. Now, let's scroll down to the bottom of the list, and here you should find restored default values. So, as I said, this is like the classic factory reset, hard reset for the audio system. So if you mess up with the equalizer settings or the sound balance feels off, or you just want to just restore everything which is connected to the sound, you should use this button. And let me show you how to do this. Let's tap restore values. This will reset all sound settings. Please do not power off the vehicle during this process. This operation cannot be undone. If you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish this operation, let's choose Restore Default Values. And that's it. Now you can use the default values of your sound. As you can see, I've got everything set up to default and I can use it in this way. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.